I have a lawn tractor LT155 with rear bagger, dual bags. Some years ago I removed the baggers so I could install a Cyclone Rake. I have all the parts, but I cannot recall how to reinstall the bagger. I cannot find the manual. Any ideas on how to reinstall? Do you know where I can find a manual? Many thanks.
Here is your manual for the bagger. Hope this helps. http://manuals.der.com/ccombview/omm1454111_L0/output/omm1454111_L06.html number 1719.
This is not helpful. I do not see my model of bagger in this manual.
Here is the page of the models it covers. http://manuals.der.com/ccombview/omm1454111_L0/output/omm1454111_L014.html.
I see the LT series description, but my equipment does not look like that. I will have to contact the dealer that I bought it from in 2001. My receipt from the purchase references install BM 20454 and BM 20493. I'm hoping that they can shed some light on it. I appreciate your attempts to help. I am in the process of contacting the dealer to get the proper directions for the mounting. I appreciate your input and attention. This is still an open item, so I will close this out. Thank you.
That's fine.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.